ADA, August 25th, huge date for Cardano. BitPoint listing incoming. Hello everyone, we hope you're all healthy and having a wonderful day today. Welcome back to Richly. We are back with yet another very important video. August 25th is an important day for Cardano and also for everyone who is holding Cardano. Stay till the end so you don't miss out on any information about this day and its effect on the price. Can Cardano reach $5 this week? Before we get started, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel or miss the opportunity of getting updated about the shifts and trends in the crypto market. Recently, the cryptocurrency Cardano was reportedly registered on a Japanese crypto trading platform called Emurgo. With Cardano's listing, Japanese investors can already buy the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Based on the daily HODL report, former Emurgo executive who focuses on the Cardano network, Sebastian Guillemot, said that the ADA has been approved, although it is not an easy matter because of strict regulations in Japan, especially regarding cryptocurrencies that will be listed on existing crypto exchanges in that country. He literally said, Cardano is finally registered in Japan. It is. Japan has very strict rules for listing crypto exchanges. Only a small number of tokens can be registered in Japan, and ADA is now on that list. This information is confirmed by Emurgo. Actually, from the very beginning, Japan was always crypto-friendly. But it does not imply that when it comes to cryptocurrency, they have weak regulations. The coins on the Japanese markets come under rigorous inspection to ensure that their citizens are successful operations. So the approval of ADA makes the currency more valuable. Before we move on to more news about why the 25th of August is so important for you, let's first look back at last week. One little-known digital token tied to the blockchain of Cardano has recently become the world's third biggest virtual currency, as network engineers are looking to explode decentralized banking. With the so-called ADA coin climbing by almost 50% in the last week, the latest technological improvements will enable smart contracts on Cardano to be increasingly optimistic. During a demonstration skeptically hit by several prominent business figures, the token of the ADA has a value of more over $69 billion, higher than all competitors save Bitcoin and Ether, says tracker CoinGecko. So let's get back to the news. While Cardano is already on Emurgo, ADA is now planned to be listed on BitPoint, another Japanese trading platform. Despite the extremely harsh regulations governing crypto exchanges in Japan, ADA has still won a listing favor from BitPoint Exchange. As the former Emurgo executive mentioned, the regulations in Japan are very strict. Meanwhile, the BitPoint listing of Cardano indicates that ADA is extremely gaining momentum. In addition, Guillemot again compared the upcoming ADA listing to that of the Coinbase listing of the Japanese community. Here, he claimed that the incoming BitPoint ADA listing has the same level of that of the Japanese crypto community. In reply to Guillemot's tweet, the Twitter crypto community responded happily. Many people said that BitPoint's decision to list Cardano is a great move and it will help put Japan on a good profile. Continuously, others also commented that they can't wait to see ADA trading on the BitPoint exchange. With a population of 126 million, a serious pump in the price of Cardano will happen once it gets listed. The scheduled date for the launch is the 25th of August at 8:30 a.m. ADA will be provided as a physical transaction and BitPoint will handle it. Lists such as this aren't constantly occurring. Cardano ADA is now one of the currencies on Japanese exchanges like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. In the future expansion of Cardano, the relevance of this list cannot underlie too much. Let's look at what impact this news can have on the price of Cardano. Before we dive into the price prediction in both the short and long term, let's take a look at why Cardano is currently at hype. Cardano is the world's third largest cryptocurrency, and it is surrounded by a lot of optimistic enthusiasm. It is a third-generation cryptocurrency, which means it offers quicker transaction speeds and greater overall functionality than previous generations of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. As a result, one of Cardano's most significant advancements is its use of proof-of-stake consensus rather than proof-of-work. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires miners to utilize their computing power to solve complicated algorithms with proof-of-work, Cardano just requires miners to possess a stake in the network. As cryptocurrencies advance towards more environmentally friendly means of mining their currency, there will be a purposeful shift away from proof-of-work mining, making Cardano a more appealing investment choice. Another feature that makes Cardano appealing is that it is created with the capacity to be upgraded and developed in the future. As a result, Cardano has between 100 and 150 developers working on it, making it one of the most active networks today. Cardano price climb to new highs has been impulsive after reclaiming the influential resistance of the 2018 high at $1.40, carrying ADA to 5 consecutive positive weeks for the first time since March to April 2020. The velocity and magnitude of the recovery to the May high show a renewed investor interest in ADA. Still, the weekly volume totals have not reached the levels that underpinned the 2020 to 2021 advance, indicating the chase has not begun. According to Wallet Investor, the price of Cardano might go up to $3.92 in 1 year and up to $11.01 in the next 5 years. According to Capital.com, the Cardano price is predicted to touch $3.68 by the end of 2022 and around $10 in the next 5 years. For those wondering how high could Cardano go, the current graph suggests that the cryptocurrency could explode in the near future, doubling up its current price by the end of this year. In comparison to other altcoins, ADA, created in 2017, has been behind in terms of price value. The likes of Polkadot and Chainlink, both invented around the same time as ADA, boast of higher price values. Although all three blockchains perform a different function, there's no denying that Cardano has stalled in popularity when compared to its peers. However, with energy consumption levels becoming a topic of interest among institutions who are now favoring blockchains running on sustainable energy, Cardano is beginning to make it to the center stage. The network has even been compared to Bitcoins and promoted by supporters as an excellent substitute to the latter as far as sustainability is concerned. The Alonzo upgrade has also brought investors closer to the asset, as sentiments rising to remain positive. The upgrade, which is scheduled for September 12th, is expected to bring in smart contract to the network for the first time, while also ironing out other existing network limitations. Just as we've seen with Ethereum, smart contracts are highly promising and could take in a lot of value for Cardano, as it did for Ethereum. Therefore, the chances that ADA peaks in the long term seem unlikely. But what is then a realistic price to be expected for Cardano? Let's dive right into that. In a massive revelation during his recent interview, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson said that he expects the ADA price to touch $150 levels by the year end. This is a massive prediction coming from the founder, which means nearly 60 times gains from the current levels. On the current hand, Hoskinson said that he doesn't see any value in Bitcoin for the future. In a major prediction, he also predicted the Bitcoin could eventually die as it doesn't have an innovative value, and as per him, the Bitcoin blockchain has no good utility. So how much should you invest in Cardano to earn some good money? Cardano's blockchain may be used to authenticate pharmaceutical products, lowering the risk of buying fake medications. Cardano can also be used in developing countries to keep track of people's identities and determine their creditworthiness. Blockchain technology can also help farmers and retailers track their supply chains more accurately. So, without a question, Cardano is fundamentally sound, and we can expect plenty more upgrades in 2021 and beyond. Cardano may achieve even greater success in the next 4 to 5 years due to planned collaborations and integrations. In the long term, this will have a federal impact on the ADA. Cardano can ascend the rankings and become one of the world's top 2 cryptocurrencies, but keep in mind that predicting how much a cryptocurrency will be worth in the next several years is tough. It's all based on pricing forecasts. So if we are optimistic and believe the price prediction of Cardano's wise founder Charles Hoskinson, then ADA reaches the price of $150 per token. It will guarantee 75 times the return on the minimum scale. That will make your $1,000 investment, for example, worth over $75,000. Do you agree with Charles Hoskinson on the price prediction of $150 for Cardano? Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.